I passed the doctor, so I took a different route. I slowed down, thought I'm going too quick. Anyway, got to the downhill, that was okay. And then massive headwind. Can you hear me? You might not be able to hear me. It's the wind, I hope they can. So I had to take the ego dent of going down into a small ring, being in 4th gear. But you do that with the knowledge that when you get in the headwind, you get an ego boost, so that's okay. Now I got on that, I turned left, the headwind is still bad, but there's a bit of hedgerows, and I was thinking, God, I could do with Andy here. Like, if I'd have took that headwind along the hard pit, he'd have took over me and give me a bit of relaxation. And I thought, well, if not Andy, Dave. And then I realised I was biking with the thought that they were in front of me, and I was flying. Like, it was like a real thing, and so I was flying, and then came to the hill past Nanny's house. Mum's gone now, but that is still filming as it turned off again. I was thinking when it flooded, and then she went and got the cats, Nanny and Grandad's cats, saved them. Like, she waded in up to hips and shit, and what a hero she was. And then I started thinking of Grandad, and I was like thinking, yeah, he'd look at me and think, yeah, you're alright, Kev, I'll be happy. Yeah. And then I started thinking of Nanny. Keep going. And then I thought, you know, Nanny, her last thoughts would have been, yeah, he's alright. And I think she'd have thought about that family, yeah, I think her last thoughts would have been happy, like, okay, I can go now, happy, they're all okay. And I think Grandad would think the same. Anyway, I got my head in the game again. Got along past Rainthorpe Hall, some walkers. I was thinking I was going too quick, so I thought this can't be slow down. Whistled at them until they heard me. They were all smiling. Went past them, and then I was flying against something. No, something metal fell on the floor. I still haven't worked out what it was. So that gave you an extra 2 minutes, Andy. Is it still recording as it turned off again?
No.
So anyway, I went back and I looked for 2 minutes. Don't know what it was. Checked I had my keys. I haven't got them. Oh, yeah, here they are. I weren't one of the keys. My mobile's still here. So anyway, got up the hill. Andy went there, so went around again. He was there, and then we see what his cinematography is like. Anyway, we're all good. I think that's enough. Enough for now. I've done my first bike ride of the year. And I'm going to commute now. I wondered about my bum. Is it still recorded? Right, so, hey, did you know I went snowboarding? I got this bruise because I fell over bad at the end. Had to stop, so I thought this might be too painful for biking, but anyway, there it is. It's a bad bike. It's alright biking though. I won't show you my crack hopefully, but yeah, hopefully I'll be snowboarding within a couple of weeks and you'll see some of that. Okay, bye bye, thanks for watching, hope you all enjoyed it.